Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to edit master slide in Google Slide. Okay, so here I have opened my Google Slide, and you can see this, I have themes. Okay, so every themes has layout, and you can edit the master slide. Means you can edit the layout, and it will be apply every slide if you edit layout. Okay, so how you can edit this? You can see I have only 5 slide here. Sorry, I have this presentation with the numbers of 56 slides, and this is resources, this is not layout. So you can see there is a layout like by 38. So I can edit the master file or master slide to apply the some layout changes to everyone. So just go to the slide, and here you can see the option called edit master slide or edit themes. Just click on it, and now the edit okay, click on it. The now, so let it open. Okay, so you can see the layout has been come here. This is a master slide. Okay, so you can edit the titles, you can edit the title style, you can edit any, you know, layout. Okay, whenever click on any layout, so here you can see this matches layout will be selected, the yellow will be the highlighted by yellow border. Okay, so in my presence with this layout I have only one slide. If the same, I just copy and show you. Okay, I just copied. One second, let me copy it first. So now you can see if I select this layout, so you can see there is a two slide has been highlighted because in this two slide has same layout. Okay, so if you changes anything here, so it will be applied to both. Okay, also you want to apply changes to whole slide or whole all slides, and you need to edit here. You can edit the title, you can edit the background, you can edit the background themes also. Okay, so just select the titles, go to the background color, or you can change the title color here. Go to the color and you can change color. Okay, now you can see if I select the main themes or master themes, then all slide will be selected, and you can change from here. Okay, you can change anything from here. After that, just come out. Okay, if I go to custom, okay, so just come out, just click on into button, then all effect will be applied to the slide. Okay, so my my computer is slow, I think internet is slow, that's sweet, it is not clicked, but you can edit it. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.